So this is why this has become so important, is because we all have to be doing, I think, for the most part, the inspections we've always done and should have done. But now we have to tell the customer why we're doing it, because the driver, the consumer, isn't the same either. They don't have a damn clue what a strut is or what it does or what it means. They don't care, but they want to know that, like, if I hit a bump and this thing sounds funny, why is it doing that? Okay, well, the strut's leaking oil. That's what you hear. Okay, you need a pair of struts, so on and so on. When we don't charge for it, it's really hard now to add value to that, because I'm a big proponent that if it's for free, I can never then, if I have to start charging that customer for the service, the customer will never feel like it's worth what I have to charge. The conversation came up in one of my episodes. One guy does free tire repairs all the time. It's just what they do. Customer comes in, never been there before, regular customer, doesn't matter. The tire needs to be repaired, they repair the tire free. That's part of his marketing. Cool. If all of a sudden now labor rates go up to an astronomical amount and you can't get technicians, you got to hire people and they got to pay them twice what you were paying them, maybe you can't do that service anymore. Maybe you can't extend that courtesy. If I can't extend it and all of a sudden I have to charge for it, I could go from charging nothing to charging $10. And my customers that used to get it for free will go, why does it have to be $10? Do you know what I mean? Meanwhile, the other shop that's always been charging $50 to plug the tire rolls on like nothing ever happened. So that's where we've got to get this thinking in our brains in this industry, that like free is good. Free's not good, in my opinion. Now, what I'm not trying to call you out, Cody. Please don't take it that way. It's just we can build free into the marketing of our business, or we can build free into rewarding our customer. But at the end of the day, we have to still be transparent and tell the customer it's not just an oil change. I also did this. You see what I mean? When we're not doing that the communication doesn't even work then.
No, you're absolutely right. I mean, transparency is key.